In Redmond, where natural beauty meets modern suburban comfort, homeowners are always looking for ways to bring more light and openness into their living spaces. One of the most elegant and practical ways to achieve that transformation is by installing bay windows. A bay window isn't just a window. It's a design feature that instantly enhances your home's atmosphere, functionality, and appeal. Whether you live in a cozy craftsman, a contemporary build, or a traditional Redmond home, adding bay windows can elevate your living room in ways you'll see and feel every day. Here's why bay windows are becoming a favorite choice among Redmond homeowners. Flood your living room with natural light. One of the most noticeable benefits of bay windows is the abundance of natural light they bring into your home. Unlike standard flat windows, bay windows project outward, creating 3 glass panels that capture sunlight from multiple angles throughout the day. In Redmond's often overcast weather, this design makes a world of difference. Your living room feels brighter, more inviting, and naturally warm, even during the Pacific Northwest cloudy seasons. This extra light not only enhances your mood but also helps reduce dependence on artificial lighting, saving energy and lowering your utility bills. For those who love a bright, airy atmosphere, bay windows create an uplifting space perfect for morning coffee, reading, or simply enjoying the sunshine. Expanding space without major renovation. If your living room feels a little tight, bay windows can give it a more spacious look without requiring an actual room addition. Because they extend outward from the exterior wall, they add visual depth to your space. The additional ledge or seating area they create can be used for a built-in bench, decorative shelving, or a cozy reading nook, adding both function and charm. This architectural projection not only makes the room appear larger but also provides a natural focal point that draws the eye outward toward your garden or street view. For Redmond homeowners who appreciate open-concept living, bay windows are a smart and affordable way to enhance both space and comfort. Framing Redmond's beautiful views from tree-lined neighborhoods to scenic backyard gardens, Redmond offers no shortage of outdoor beauty. Bay windows allow you to bring those views inside. Their panoramic design captures more of the outdoors than standard windows ever could. Whether it's the sight of morning mist lifting from your yard or golden hour light filtering through the trees, bay windows frame those everyday moments like living artwork. Homeowners often find that adding bay windows creates a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors, allowing them to enjoy nature's beauty year-round without stepping outside. Boosting home value and curb appeal. In real estate, details matter, and bay windows are one of those features that make a strong impression. They add architectural character to both the interior and exterior of your home, enhancing curb appeal and increasing resale value. Prospective buyers in Redmond often view bay windows as a desirable upgrade because of their timeless design, natural lighting benefits, and extra space. If you're considering future resale, a professionally installed bay window can set your home apart from others on the market. Even if selling isn't in your plans, this improvement provides daily enjoyment while building long-term value in your property. Energy efficiency and modern comfort. Modern bay windows are designed with advanced materials and insulated glass, making them highly energy efficient. They help maintain comfortable indoor temperatures by minimizing drafts and reducing heat transfer. Professional installers in Redmond can customize your bay window with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and airtight seals to withstand the area's cool, damp winters and mild summers. The result? A living room that stays comfortable and quiet while keeping energy costs low. A stylish statement that reflects you beyond functionality. Bay windows make a bold design statement. You can personalize them to suit your taste, with trim finishes, seating upholstery, or decorative accents. Whether your style is classic elegance or modern minimalism, bay windows offer a customizable centerpiece that transforms your living room into a space that feels uniquely yours. Final thoughts. Adding bay windows to your Redmond living room is more than just a home upgrade. It's an investment in beauty, comfort, and value. They invite natural light, create extra space, and showcase the stunning outdoor scenery Redmond is known for. By working with local window professionals who understand the region's climate and architecture, you'll enjoy a seamless installation and lasting results. With Bay Windows, your living room will feel brighter, bigger, and more connected to the world outside, the perfect reflection of Redmond living.